Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today in this video, I will share with you the latest collection of high heel sandals for the ladies. Dear viewers, I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more design and more ideas, and also like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed my YouTube channel, then don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my upcoming and uploading videos. Dear viewers, as you all know that high heel sandals are the timeless fashion. It will not only give you a confidence but also improve your body posture, your legs stronger, and it will make your overall dressing outfit looks more improved and make it attractive. So dear viewers, if you want to make an elegant and individual look in a party, then you should wear a unique style of high heel sandals. So dear viewers, if you want to update your wardrobe, then must watch this video and its designs of high heel sandals, and take an idea from this video and slay your outfit wardrobe. So friends, if you wanted to buy them online, then you can buy them from amazon.com, ebay.com and aliexpress.com. Dear viewers, I always try my best to bring you useful content and useful ideas. So don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section that how was the video and how was the designs. And also suggest me in the comment section that which kind of content you want to watch at my YouTube channel. So goodbye friends, till the next video. See you soon with another beautiful ideas of high heel sandals for the ladies.